What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this beautiful, I feel like it's a very fiery, sultry, bad and bougie look. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, or you're just curious on what products I use, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Slow Hollywood time. So today I want to create a very sophisticated fire look. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start on the eyes. Okay, so I'm zooming you guys in so you get to see it a little bit better. But I'm going to take my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, which is just this guy right here. And I'm going to be applying this all over the lid and up to the brow bone. I also kind of want to wear like a red lipstick. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling red lips today, but we'll see. So today I'm going to be using the MAC Flamboyant palette. It's so freaking beautiful. There's 15 shades in here, and it's so pretty. I love the tones. So this is the palette right here. So I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and dig into this shade right here. And we're basically adding this all over the crease, just to warm it up a bit. Okay, so now that it's a little bit more warm, I'm going to take this beautiful orange shade right here, and with the same brush, I'm just going to dust this into the crease as well, just to be even a little bit more warm. Okay, so I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and dig into this gold shade right here. It's a really pretty, nice foiled shade. Oh, so pretty and so pigmented. So because I am doing more of a darker lip, which I think I do want to do red, I kind of want the eyes to be very pretty and very soft because I want most of the attention to be on the lips. Ooh, so pretty. It's so pretty and effortless. I love it. By the way, I'm really loving the summer weather. I'm totally a summertime girl. So this is just what I'm adding. And then I do want to sort of deepen it up a little bit. So I'm going to take this darker orange shade right here, and I'm going to dig just a little bit and just basically add it right into the outer crease and outer lid as well, and then blend it out and inward. So you kind of see a little bit of a difference there. So just add a little bit. So once again, to the outer crease, outer lid, and then blend outwards and in. And then obviously don't be afraid to go back and forth, because a lot of the times I do that because it doesn't come out perfect most of the time on the first round. So it's okay if you want to go back and forth to just make sure everything looks nice and even. Okay, so before I move on, I want to start on the base. So, oh my god, I just went super, not really hard, but kind of hard. But anyways, I'm going to use a Lancome base. This is just a primer. I've only used this once and I'm not sure if I like it, but I have it, so I guess I'll test it out again. It's a little sample that I got. Also, make sure that with your primer, you really work it in. For today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Fluidity foundation. This is in the shade F1.120. It's like a tongue twister. F1.120. And I don't want to add too much. I'm too much and I'm going ham. I do want to keep the face I don't want too much coverage today, I guess, because it is a hot day out, and honestly I feel I've really been liking the way my skin's been looking. I don't have the greatest skin whatsoever, but I feel my skin has come such a long way, and I'm actually really proud of it. So I'm like, okay, skin, I'm gonna let you breathe for a little bit because you are doing so good. So that's why I want to keep it kind of like not so full coverage. So I guess like more like a medium, like sheer to medium coverage, I guess. So that's why I added a little bit. Yeah, so it's hardly anything and I really like it. I feel like now that I'm getting older, I mean, I'm 26, but I feel like now I'm not so much into the full coverage, but I love the way the makeup looks, kind of like when your skin is still peeking through a little bit. So I'm kind of transitioning, but I kind of like it. So you guys will probably see more of me using less foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I only used this once, so I really want to use it again because I mean, it's just sitting there and I spend money on it. So I mean, I totally should use it. Because honestly, sometimes like the first time around, you're not crazy about products, but when you try them again and again, you kind of learn how to work with them. And hey, they might become one of your favorite products or holy grail products. Okay, so this is looking really nice. Also, since I did use a little bit less foundation, I like the way this concealer is looking because it's not as bright as my Tarte Shape Tape. So I feel like it's a pretty good balance with the less coverage foundation that I have going on. Okay, perfect. As always, I'm gonna set with my Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Pound Cake. Oh my god, I love this powder. So I've literally tried a couple other setting powders and honestly, like I feel like nothing compares to this. I freaking love the formula of this. I love that it's super, super soft. Like it doesn't feel like I'm throwing flour under my eyes. You know what I mean? Like there's some powders that feel so chalky and like I'm not about that. Like I want it to be nice and soft, and honestly I don't mind the fragrance of this. Like if you have the foundation, that's exactly how this powder smells. So yeah, definitely go into the store, smell it out, test it out. It's a bomb. And I really love how like airbrushed it makes you look. For the rest of my skin, I'm gonna do like a light dusting with this really fluffy brush. I'm gonna be using the Bisou powder. This is like a Mexican powder that my friend got me, but I really like it. It's like full coverage. I feel like it's very comparable to the MAC Studio Fix powder. So if you can't find this one, definitely pick up the MAC one because that one works just as great as this one. Okay, side note, I really like the way my bangs look today. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on the lashes and do my brows off camera. For lashes today, I wanna use these ones by Lily Lashes. These are the Miamis. They're so freaking pretty. Honestly, I've reused these so many times and they are still going strong. So definitely invest in these because they will last you a long time if you take care of them. So let me go ahead and do that and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my brows, I put on my lashes, and I also bronzed up my skin and contoured a little bit. And for that, I used the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. So now I'm gonna be using the Fetish palette. This one is by Kat Von D. Oh my god, this palette is amazing. If you guys don't have this, you have to go get it. It's literally like $21, I believe, and you can purchase this at Sephora and it's amazing. So I'm gonna be using this today. So I'm gonna just take this shade right here. This is called Salem, and I'm gonna be using this as blush. And I really like a lot of blush, so I'm gonna like pack it on. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm actually going to be using this one as well from the palette. This one is called Magic, and it's this beautiful like iridescent orange shade. Oh, so pretty. Ooh. And I'm going to dust a little bit and apply it. Oh, that's so, so pretty. Wow, so beautiful. I feel like this is such a pretty palette for summertime. Okay, so for the waterline, I am gonna add this one right here. This is by Pixi, and this is just a nude color. So I love it because it just kind of opens up the eye a little bit. And now I'm going to work on the lower lash line, and I'm going to use this pointer brush. It's like a nice fluffy pointer brush, and I'm going to take this one right here, which is this beautiful orange shade we used earlier, and just diffuse it under the lower lash line. Yeah, it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm now gonna take another pointer brush and I'm gonna dig into this shade right here. It's a beautiful like white with gold reflex shimmer shade. So I'm gonna add this right into the inner corner. Oh, it looks stunning. And then whatever's left over, I'm just gonna add this to my nose because why not? I think it's a perfect highlight shade too. And a little bit here. Yeah, perfect. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of my Bad Gal Bank mascara. This is by Benefit. I absolutely love this mascara. I feel like this is actually my #1 mascara. Like, I really like it. So I'm gonna pop this on my lower lashes. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Do you guys see the difference? Oh my god, I honestly feel like such a peach goddess. I love it. So now I think, oh my god, we're literally almost done. I just need to do the lips. So I don't know, like, I kind of do want to do the red. Should I? Okay, so I'm just gonna go for it and do the red because I never do red. But you could totally do like a nude or like a peachy, and you would totally complete the look with those colors as well. But I really want to go for a red. So I'm using this one by Urban Decay, and this one is called Bad Blood. Okay, so I think I'm gonna sharpen this because I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know why I didn't sharpen it in the first place. Okay, so let's keep doing this. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So that's as good as it's gonna get. So let's move on to the actual lip color. So for the lips, I kind of want to use this one by Dose of Colors. It's a really pretty, like, vibrant, rosy red color, and this is called Strawberry Pop. Ooh, that looks so stunning. So let me just go back to the liner and kind of, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so irritated. Like, I'm wearing a white shirt and I thought I was gonna get stained with it. I was so scared. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to the lip liner and perfect the lines. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my favorite setting spray. This is by MAC. It's the Fix Plus in the scent Coconut. So this is what it looks like. So cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it all over. Perfect. And I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and just kind of work it into the skin one more time so that everything is nice and melted and blended into the skin. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful, beautiful look. I honestly really love it, and I loved that I picked the red lips. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of this Hollywood star family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.